And we are live. What's going on? It's Chris and Emily from Lifter LMS, and you know what day it is. It's Feature Friday, now on Tuesday. Today, we're going to show you a very early step in getting started with Lifter LMS. If you're using some of the premium software, we're going to show you how to install and activate a license key and get started installing and activating your premium Lifter LMS add-ons on your website. What a license key does is it allows you to get access to the software itself, get updates automatically when they roll out, and it's basically what having an active license or being a paying customer gives you. Lifter LMS has something like 26 different add-ons. There's 3 bundles, which include some or all of the add-ons. And the bundles have a license key. We're going to do a demo of the Infinity bundle, which gives you access to everything that Lifter LMS makes, all the software. And we're going to show you how to set up your license key on your WordPress website and get going with Lifter from the beginning. Over to you, Emily.
Thank you, Chris. So let me jump into my demo site. We're going to talk today about how you can build a fully featured LMS website with the Lifter LMS plugins. So you can build some pretty beautiful things in WordPress out of the box. And in this case, we're using the Skypilot theme. But if we're going all the way from scratch, we are building our LMS platform. We've decided what our course is going to be. We've decided how we're going to sell it. We're going to run to the Lifter LMS website and grab a copy of the Infinity bundle. Oh, my first year 50 has already been applied. Let me remove my coupon so I can do my test coupon. Okay. There we go. Proceed to checkout. I'm going to do Gmail. Do my account password, and we'll void this account after we finish the stream. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is my zip code. All you have to do is pick up a license to the Infinity bundle. It'll redirect me over to my account, and that's where I can get started activating my software. This whole process of picking up Lifter LMS, adding it to your website, and starting to develop courses really can take less than 10 minutes to complete. It's not a complicated process. Jumping to my account, download that Lifter LMS core plugin. It'll save to your computer. Come back over to your WordPress website. If you're new to WordPress and uploading plugins or adding plugins to your website, you can either get them via the repository here, or like you saw, I downloaded a zip file of Lifter LMS. It takes a few seconds to download. Then we can click upload plugin, and then I can bring in that latest version of Lifter LMS from the website. And I can also bring in all my paid add-ons as well. We'll activate the Lifter LMS plugin. This will give me so many more options over here on the left-hand side to start building out all my courses and my memberships, etc. But because I'm an Infinity Bundle subscriber, I can visit the Downloads tab and scroll down and see all of the add-ons that I have access to. This is where we can download each of these items individually, or if we want to do it the fast way, what we would do is copy our license key, go back over to my WordPress website, Lifter LMS, add-ons and more, and then we'll just add our license key under My License Keys, add new, and let it refresh. Now all of those add-ons you see here on the Downloads tab, we can see on the back end of WordPress, and we can install them without even leaving our WordPress website. We can get the latest updates to these add-ons and install new ones. So if we wanted to sell courses via groups, we can install, apply, give it a second to install that plugin in the background. We don't need to go through the process of downloading and uploading a million times because we just need to add our license key and everything is good to go. So now Groups is installed and activated. And if I refresh my page, we should see that Groups is available over here on that left-hand side now. So I could run in and start using the Lifter LMS groups features. And the same would apply for all of our add-ons. You're probably going to be doing e-commerce for most of our Lifter LMS users. We're going to at some point integrate e-commerce. So if you wanted to add Stripe, all you'd have to do is the exact same thing. Come to Lifter LMS add-ons and more. Your license key is already installed. So we just install and activate our Stripe extension. And then we can jump over to our settings, check out Stripe, and then go through the process specifically for setting up Stripe. Just sign into your Stripe account and everything is connected for you to start taking payments. And since I installed both groups and Stripe, I could start selling to corporations. And it's taken less than 10 minutes to get all this set up, where I purchased Lifter LMS, added the license to my website, installed groups and Stripe. Now all I need to do is upload my courses. And I'm at the point where I can start selling to organizations. Not only can you get the add-ons Lifter LMS has to offer, but we also have themes, graphics packs, and then all those plugins to support your LMS functionality. That was pretty quick, but what do you think about that, Chris?
That's awesome. Yeah, and I just want to highlight the key points there. You got to download and install the Lifter LMS core plugin first. Then that's going to give you the interface to add your license key, which Emily showed us in this video. For the curveball today, maybe if you could just take us on a quick tour, if you could pull up your account dashboard on lifterlms.com. And just kind of just note, like, there's the big orange button up there at the top, but also under downloads, you can get the core plugin in the list of available downloads. So it's right there at the top as well. And while we're here, could you just take us on a tour of those other tabs that are on that screen, like downloads, activations, support contacts, information, and that sort of thing?
Yeah, definitely. So information is going to be some information about the bundle that you purchased. So with the Infinity bundle, we have unlimited active sites, but if maybe you purchased a Universe bundle, you would have 5 site license. And so it would say how many sites you've activated out of 5. Support contacts is the number of people you can add to your account who could submit support tickets on your behalf. So if you're working with a developer, maybe you purchase a license to Lifter LMS and add them as a support contact so your developer can get in touch with our support team as they're building out your website. And to add a support contact, you see that tab right here. We click support contact. You can see I'm the owner of the account. So 1 out of 3 of my support contacts is me. A support contact, I can add my developers right here, or anybody I want to add to my account. We can see our subscription information, and we can see when our subscription renews on this general information tab. We can get some more information under my subscription on the left. We have our downloads. This is going to be all of the items you have access to as a part of your bundles and purchases. You can get the downloads, the change logs, and the documentation for each product you have here. And then in activations, we can see which websites we've activated our license key on. And I don't know if I have reloaded this page since I activated. So we can see now I've activated on my demo site that I was just sampling on. And if I need to revoke a site or deactivate a site, if I'm an agency and I'm building sites for other people and I'm no longer supporting this website anymore, I can deactivate my license and they can go get a license of their own. And then again, support contacts is where we'll add our team members and other developers to our account.
And one more curveball for you. If you could pull up your demo site where you installed your Lifter LMS license key, then go to the add-ons and more and open up the license key drawer. I just wanted to note here that the actual license key is obscured. So if you're building sites for clients and you want to put your license key on their site, but not have them be able to access your key and put it on another site, it's already protected. So just something to keep in mind, particularly if you have an Infinity bundle license or a Universe bundle. You can activate certain sites, but not necessarily give away your license key. It's protected. I guess I just took my own curveball there, so it was more of a boomerang. It came back, but I just wanted to note that that's something we added based on requests from all the agencies and freelancers and builders that are building sites with Lifter LMS who value the multi-site license, but didn't want to necessarily give it away, their key, to all their clients. Well, that's it for this Feature Friday. Smash the like button. Tell your friends. Drop a comment down below. Let us know what video you'd like for us to make for you next. And I hope you have a great rest of your day. Take care.